Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Rabbit. So in the last session, we saw that how to run a JMeter script or a test plan using a bad script. So sometimes it may happen that you have to run a particular script a number of times, and it may be very confusing to select between the results file as it will be generated with the same name. So it is almost important to generate the results file with a different name. So today we will be seeing that how to run the JMeter script and generate the result file as per the date time. So for that, let us quickly see the bat file that we have created earlier. So we have done some slight modification to it so that the results file will be generated as per the date time. So this is the original bat file in which we are simply accepting the input from the user, and then we are passing it on to the JMeter command and running the JMeter script. So let us see the updated script. So here, as you can see, there are slight modification in the script, and I will go line by line to explain you that for what we have done it. So the first lines is echo off, and then we have used the set user properties and set system properties. So by using this command, we are specifying and telling JMeter that where the user properties and system property file are present right now. So if you have done any modification to user properties or system properties, then you can specify the path to it using this approach. Then using this set command, we are taking the thread group, ramp up time, loop count, and the base URL that we will be firing the HTTP request on from the user, and then we will be storing them into thread group, ramp up time, loop count, base URL. So these are the variables. Then the next command is make directory. So here we are creating a directory under the bin folders in results, and we are renaming it as test results underscore. And this is the format which we have to give in order to generate the result as per date time. So percentage date, and this percentage date will be generating the output folder as test result underscore date underscore time. So as you can see, this is the format. If you Google it, you will get this format. Otherwise, I will be posting this URL of this script in the description section. You can see from there. Again, we are taking output one as a variable, and we are storing this path which we have generated for now in this variable. And then we are echoing the e- out inputs that the user has been provided, and we are printing into a file. So these commands, echo commands, are used to print the inputs, and we'll be seeing that where this file will be generated once the script execution has been done. And lastly, we are echoing that test input file has been placed at, as we all know that in output one we have the path of the newly made folder which we have created using the mkdir command. So once we execute the script, you will understand that what will this echo command do. Then normally we are switching to the E directory as the JMeter lies in E directory. Then we are switching over to the bin folder, and then we are running the JMeter command, JMeter in non-GUI mode using this command. So let us quickly open JMeter. I have opened JMeter, and I will be showing you the test plan which I have created for this. So I will go to scripts, and we will be using the same test plan. So if you expand this, you can see there is one HTTP request in it, and first of all you will see that the thread group, ramp up time, and loop count have been parameterized, and these values will be given on the runtime by the user, and it will be substituted in here. Otherwise, this default value which we have given as 10, 10, 2, these will be used if no input has been provided. Then if you go to the HTTP request, this is a simple HTTP request, and you can see that the server name will be given by the user. Otherwise, facebook.com, this is the default name that will be used if no input has been provided. So for now, I will be removing this, follow the directs and keep alive. And I will be saving this. So now I will do one thing. I will run this script. So once, just double click on it, and it will ask you for the number of virtual users. So here I'm giving as 5. Then it will ask you for the ramp up period. I will provide it as 10 seconds. Then it will enter the loop count. So I will be giving it as 2. And then it will ask for the base URL. So for now, let's take up the Google URL. So I will be giving www.google.com. So in here, you can give any URL that you are testing and just click on enter. So you can see the test input file has been placed. This message has been flashed here as we have used the echo command, and you can see the JMeter script execution in non-GUI mode has been started. So let's wait for it to end. So now the JMeter script execution has been done, and if we go to the bin folder, so as you can see, the test output will be in here, bin results, test results. So now if you can see bin results, so this results one is a test output file that has been generated from the previous run, and if you have not followed this approach, then there will be multiple results one, or it will be overwritten. So in this case, by using R script, it will create a folder with the name test result underscore, the date and time when you are executing the script. So in this way, and in here you will be seeing that the test input file, the one which we have echoed, so this one, so it will be generated and it will contain the user inputs which we have given at the runtime. So that's why we are using this echo command in here, echo thread group, and it will be printing this into this test input file. It will be kept in the same location. So if you look into this, these are the same input that we have given on the runtime. And then this is another file called test logs. So it will contain all the test logs that are generated while running the test script. So if you can see, all the test log has been captured in this file. And lastly, the CSV file, the test results file will be there. So if you click on it, you will be able to see the test results. And if you want to better view it, just close it and open a JMeter, go to any listener and just browse on it. And just go to this folder and open this one. So in here, you can see that the test results have been generated for the given inputs. The same if you want to visualize in tree mode, just go and click on it and you'll be able to see it. So you can see in here, all the HTTP requests has been fired and they have been successful. So in this way, we can generate the output as per the date time format, and we can easily distinguish between the different results file that are being generated. So further, we can also add in here in the non-GUI mode the options to generate the HTML results, and we will be we'll be seeing that in the upcoming session. And so hope you liked it, and that's all for today. Thank you.